Hey guys, so in this lockdown, I'm just trying to do some gardening activities. Actually, I don't have much space, but still I'm trying to manage it in my window. So let's just see this, what I'm doing. Hey guys, my name is Amlu Zagre. In this lockdown, I'm trying to grow some coriander in my window. In my window, I have such a space. So you can see here, I've tried to grow a coriander. So you can see there are some coriander leaves have grown. I put a soil in this pot. So you can see there is some more space, and here there is another bucket. There is again some soil into it, and I'm trying to grow some other seeds of coriander. So the white things that you are seeing, it is actually eggshells. So actually, I heard that eggshells has some calcium, and you see, this is one of the jugaad to have some light, right? So this is USB light. Again, one more yellow light is also there. You can see this. This can be mold or folded, right? So this is the yellow light, right? And this is one more light, right? So in the night, when I need to see the position, or just in case I want to see the coriander in the night, so what I do is just put this into the plug, and yes, here it is. Okay, so let's just put it inside and switch it on. Is it on? Yes, it is. Okay, so now let us see where it is. Fine. So you can see this, the bulb is blown. So here these LEDs are also blown, and this USB light is also blown. Okay, so this will look better in the night. So we will try to see this in the night, right? So in the night, when there is a whole darkness here, you can see this is fertilizer. I have made it with the help of potato. I boiled the potatoes, and the rest of the water I have stored it into this, and this is the fertilizer I used. Again, another fertilizer I'm trying to make. It is with the help of the banana pills. There it is. Yes, here it is. So here you can see there is banana pills, and I've kept it inside the water since 2 to 3 days. So I'll keep it in the water itself for a few more days. Okay, so you can see this. So it will also become a fertilizer. So these are the some activities that I'm doing as a part of interest. Okay, so you can also see one keyboard is hanging over here. Okay, so let's just see one more time the coriander. Let's try to look at this. Okay, just focus it. Okay, now it is looking better, right? You can see this. So this is the coriander, right? So I hope it will grow, right? So now it's darkness now. Okay, so in the darkness I have switched on this bulb, and you can see the things are visible in the night with the help of this bulb, right? Okay, actually this light is not enough to see the whole thing. Only this part we are able to see. Okay, I need to do something else for in order to see the other things as well. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.